Breathe in
Nico and Nia are ecstatic to take their first yoga class.
and out.
However, it appears that they need to work on their balance.
Now, relax.
In order for them to understand how to do the poses, they must first learn about the different types of angles. An angle is formed when two rays intersect and meet at the same point. We call this point the vertex. Angles are named based on the size of the angle opening, which is known as the arc. Here are some examples of angles used in geometry. The right angle is the most common and easiest to identify. Right angles, also known as 90-degree angles, are identified by the square they form in the corner of the arc. Acute angles are characterized by a small arc opening. Acute angles are those that are less than 90 degrees. Obtuse angles have a large opening with a wide arc. Obtuse angles are those that are greater than 90 degrees, but less than 180 degrees. When two rays extend from the vertex in opposite direction, they form a straight angle or line. A straight angle measures exactly 180 degrees. A reflex angle is formed when the arc of an angle exceeds that of a straight line. These angles have a value greater than 180 degrees, but less than 360 degrees. When an angle completes a full rotation, it is said to be a complete angle. This angle has 360 degrees and is commonly referred to as a full circle. Now, let's classify some angles based on their characteristics. Is this a right, acute, or obtuse angle? This angle has an opening that is less than 90 degrees, so it is an acute angle. Is this a right, acute, or obtuse angle? The arc is a 90-degree angle and creates a square. It is a right angle. Is this a right, obtuse, or reflex angle? This is a reflex angle because it is greater than 180 degrees. Time for one more. Is this an acute, obtuse, or reflex angle? This angle is obtuse because it is wider than 90 degrees, but less than 180 degrees. Before we get back to yoga class, let's review. Remember, an angle is formed when two rays intersect and meet at the same point. Angles are named based on the size of the opening, which is known as the arc. Looks like Nico and Nia are really starting to get the hang of things.